We're here in Reservas Safari to do some walks, share our knowledge with the guests coming here.
That's beautiful.
So they want to know how we used to survive the last years. Eka. Eka.
Now he's trying to dig for a scorpion, right?
Yes. A scorpion dig in caves like this.
Yes.
Dig in caves to avoid the birds like the owls from reaching it.
The owls like to eat them.
Yeah, owls eat the scorpion.
Wow.
Mongoose eat the scorpion.
Wow.
Even the raining water can't reach the point where it is.
Wow.
Yeah. That's why it is digging in caves.
So he's digging now, huh?
Scorpion name in our language is Thai. You know what? The scorpion, the yellow scorpion, has got the large pincers and a small tail.
Wow.
So this scorpion is less poisonous. As Jumhasi, the Bushmen, we used to play with it. We just find a Dan beetle, they fight together. Then the other group for Dan beetle and the other one for scorpion. And the scorpion is always the winner.
Oh my goodness, that is funny.
Eka. Scorpion in flat surface can't sting because it needs to grab first, balance the body. That's when it will sting.
That's beautiful, huh? He's your friend now.
Yeah. This is a spear, but in the past we just use a bone, shape it like this. Then here, this is the handle here. We use the brand bush branches. We do eat the berries from the brand bush. We ferment it also for a day longer. Then we drink as a beer.
Wow. I want to try
the
that.
dried leaves, we mix them together with Cape Ear droppings. I'm going to smoke as tobacco. Eka. So this we use to step when we hunt the animals like the wild beast, the large antelopes, let me say that, the inlet, James Bock, we use the spear. Elephant dung, this is important in our lives. So the elephant eats both the medicinal and non-medicinal. Combination here is a medicine.
Wow.
If you have the knee pains, back pains, you just make some small cuts on the back and on the joints. Then you burn the elephant down on ash. Eka, let me see. Yeah, the cuts.
I like that.
Eka.
Wow.
The cuts here.
Wow, and then you put the elephant.
You put elephant down. It relieves the pain. Burn it, collect the ash, apply on the cuts. It relieves the pain.
Why do you think it's medicinal? Because, well, they eat so much branches, leaves, I mean,
roots, grass.
So it's a good thing. Wow, that was amazing.
Also mosquito repellent.
Ah.
Mosquito repellent.
So how do you do the mosquito repellent?
You just bend this. We sleep where the wind is blowing to. The smoke from the elephant dung chase away the mosquitoes. If you also have bad dreams.
Oh, bad dreams as well.
Yeah. You use the roots, the leaves of the wild sage.
What do you want to say?
Tija!
Tija!
Safari.
Hey? Tija?
Kukwena.
Look at the guy. The
Nako,
people watching you.
Mwela
That's fine
safari.
there. Tija.
Chija, mwela safari. Chija.
Mwela
Yeah,
Safari.
chija, mwela.
Thank you. Thanks
Enjoy
for
mwela safari.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.